One of the things we've completed recently is a new version of our technical brochure. We recognise that the importance of being able to give our partners and customers reliable and accurate information regarding our Tufcot materials. The brochure provides a considerable amount of vital information to help designers and engineers develop and optimise their designs using advantages presented from the various grades of Tufcot composites available. With so many diverse areas of industry we supply into, the brochure covers a number of topics. A brief introduction explains the composition of the various grades of Tufcot and highlights some of the particular benefits to its users. It also indicates a little about the versatility of our manufacturing process, the ability to enhance its chemical resistance or blend solid lubricants so as to be able to be suitable for use in food products, pharmaceutical process equipment, or other areas of industry for that matter. We can include special additives to give fire retardant properties or wear-resistant particles to improve the abrasion resistance. The simple rule is for our customers to tell us what they need, and we will endeavour to provide a Tufcot material suitable for their needs. If possible, we look for reasons why rather than reasons why not. We give an overview of the typical application characteristics of Tufcot bearings, what to see and expect where the material is being used, and how it interacts, its inherent low coefficient of friction, its ability to work in and use water or water emulsions as an efficient means of lubrication, the potential cost-saving benefits, the bearing being the sacrificial part rather than the wear on the mating component, resulting in expensive replacement of metal components. A number of illustrations are used to review not only standard components produced, but some of the more specialised custom parts and applications produced in various Tufcot composite grades. These illustrations also serve to highlight the extensive machining capability available within the company. Extensive investments in new machinery, including state-of-the-art CNC machines, ensures the company is equipped to produce components quickly, accurately and efficiently. We're proud of our facility and offer an open invitation to our customers and prospective customers to take a tour around the factory. We're happy to show you what we can do and how we do it. Our brochure tells a lot more of the story of the development of our material, but also an insight into not only the capabilities of the material, but the growth and development of Tufcot as a company. It serves to provide a tool for engineers and designers to help in the selection of the correct Tufcot composites. It's also an indication of the commitment of Tufcot to provide a first-class product and a first-class service. We uphold that commitment through our continuous improvement program, investment in R&D and capital investment in new equipment to continue our quest to be the best.